What if you could literally be in two places at once? I mean, what if you could work, create, even teach, all while you're sound asleep? It sounds impossible, right? Well, today we're diving into the tech that's making it happen, the digital doppelganger.
Just think about that for a second. This isn't just about setting up some automated emails. We are talking about expanding who you are and what you can do way beyond the normal limits of time. That's the huge promise of the technology we're about to break down.
You're probably thinking this sounds like something straight out of a movie. I get it. The whole idea of a perfect digital clone, it's been a sci-fi dream for decades. But what if I told you that the line between fiction and reality is getting blurrier by the minute? That's right. This isn't some far-off prediction for the year 2050. This is happening right now. Companies are already offering services to build your digital twin, and it's all powered by these incredible leaps we're seeing in artificial intelligence.
Okay, so let's get into the nuts and bolts of it. How does this actually work? How do you take a person, you, and turn them into a fully functioning digital version? It really boils down to three key pieces of AI technology that all have to work together.
So first up, you need a face. That's the AI avatar. Basically, you feed the system videos of yourself, and the AI model learns your appearance, your expressions, your mannerisms. It doesn't just make a static copy. It actually learns to generate new movements that look just like you. This is the visual shell, the face of your doppelganger.
Next, your clone needs a voice. And that's where voice cloning comes in. By training an AI on recordings of you talking, it creates this synthetic replica that captures your unique tone, your rhythm, everything. The cool part? It can then say anything you type out, and it sounds exactly like you said it yourself.
And finally, we get to the most important part, the brain. This isn't your average chatbot. This thing is trained on your stuff, your writings, your emails, your speeches. It learns more than just what you know. It learns how you think. This allows it to interact and answer questions, well, just like you would.
So, you put it all together. You take that visual avatar, you combine it with the voice clone, and you power it all with that personalized AI brain. And what do you get? A complete digital doppelganger. A version of you that doesn't just look and sound like you, but can actually act on your behalf.
So you're probably wondering, okay, how do you actually make one of these things? The tech behind it is, incredibly complicated, but the actual process from a user's point of view can be broken down into a pretty simple blueprint. Let's walk through it.
It all starts with data. You have to feed the machine the raw materials, videos for the avatar, audio clips for the voice, and a whole bunch of text for the brain. Then the powerful algorithms do their thing, training the AI models. Once it's all trained up and you're happy with how real it is, you can deploy it on whatever platforms you want. All right, so the clone is built. Now, what do you actually do with it? This is more than just a cool party trick. The real value here is about totally changing your relationship with work. It's about being able to expand your presence and your impact literally around the clock. Let's look at some real-world uses. Say you're a content creator. Your AI twin could pump out a week's worth of videos while you're on a beach somewhere. Or if you run a business, your doppelganger could be answering customer questions at 3 in the morning, giving instant help. From teaching courses to onboarding new employees, the possibilities are just massive. And this is the ultimate promise of the digital doppelganger. 24/7. It's like a workforce of one that never gets tired, never takes a day off, and is always ready to go. We're not just talking about being more productive, we're talking about breaking the link between time and what a person can achieve.
So let's zoom out a little bit. We've talked about the what and the how, but the real impact of this technology is so much bigger than just productivity hacks. This is really about changing our idea of what it means to be present and what we're capable of. If you take one thing away from all of this, let it be this. For all of human history, our impact has been tied to the hours we have in a day. It's a fundamental constraint. With the digital doppelganger, that constraint just starts to melt away.
And that leaves us with this huge, fascinating question. If your AI clone can handle the meetings, create the content, and answer the emails, if it can take care of the daily grind, what will you do with all that new freedom? What does human creativity and purpose look like then? It's something we're all going to have to think about.